My name is Taalaibekova Burulsun. I'm from Naryn, and my major is computer science. I studied before in SPC. It's a school of professional and continued education, and I was preparing for this university. I chose this university because it's the best one. We have a lot of opportunities and we have all things that we need here. We have all meal here, we have dormitory, and we have big libraries here. First it was hard for me because I graduated just a simple school, but I adapted and it's good for me right now. I didn't have experience studying with Pakistani or Afghanistani guys, so I have experience here, and it's good experience. I had a plan in the future, like open a business and make a charity for maybe for education, in order to give a chance for children or students to study in such universities.